Good morning to all of you. Today's thought is we should not give up and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. By APJ Abdul Kalam means we should believe in ourselves and have faith in our abilities. Circumstances keep changing. Sometimes we have very good time, sometimes average, and the other time very difficult. Even sometimes we give up before starting the new work or activity. Other times we give up just before reaching to the success. And then our mind just feels and thinks how more effort is required to succeed. It happens to all of us. My dear friends, in our life there is something that we cannot change. We have to accept that. We have to live with them. Sometimes there are certain situations that we cannot change. So it's better for us to accept them and try to find a way to move on. If we start something new, obviously we are going to face some issues, but that does not mean we should give up on that thing. Thank you. Have a nice day.